The W214 Mercedes-Benz E-Class represents the latest iteration of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class, marking its sixth generation. Introducing the W214 as a successor to the W213, this new generation is set to hit the market by late 2023. Offering both sedan and estate variants, the W214 brings forth a fresh take on the E-Class lineup. The sedan retains its classic proportions with minimal alterations compared to the previous model. The length now measures 4.92 meters. The width is 1.91 meters, and the height stands at 1.47 meters. Notably, the wheelbase has increased by 22 millimeters to 2.93 meters compared to the previous generation. This slight growth is expected to provide even more interior space, although the true interior revolution lies in the specifications. The front end showcases a distinctively modern appearance, attributed to the redesigned LED headlights seamlessly integrated into the illuminated EQ-style grille. Along the sides, a prominent and sleek line accentuates the vehicle's profile, accompanied by sportier versions boasting alloy wheels measuring up to 21 inches. As for the rear, a fresh star design taillight featuring dynamic lights adds a captivating touch, animating upon locking or unlocking the vehicle. The centerpiece of the interior is the MBUX Superscreen, which represents the third generation of Mercedes' infotainment system and succeeds the Hyperscreen. Taking center stage on the dashboard, the central screen, instrument panel screen, and even a screen on the passenger side dominate the overall layout. The updated E-Class infotainment system introduces new icons and allows for the installation of third-party apps. Notably, it enables automatic adjustments such as seat heating, activation of the air conditioning system, and customization of ambient lighting based on the driver's preset temperature threshold. Over time, the aforementioned system will undergo further advancements, incorporating artificial intelligence capabilities to generate personalized routines based on driver-specified preferences through future operating system updates. The previously mentioned ambient lighting, complemented by the powerful Burmester 4D System's 21 speakers, offers an enhanced disco-like party atmosphere by pulsating in sync with the music. The wide array of materials and colors available in interior design may not be considered groundbreaking. The catalog encompasses various combinations, such as beige and gray with wood and brushed metal accents, as well as Tonka brown and piano black inserts borrowed from the S-Class. To minimize the environmental footprint during the vehicle's production, recycled materials are utilized for the seats. The new Mercedes-Benz E-Class exclusively embraces electrified powertrains when it comes to engine options. The available choices include either 48-volt mild hybrid technology or plug-in hybrid technology. The plug-in hybrid variant of the E-Class utilizes the same petrol engine as its foundation. As for safety features, the new Mercedes-Benz E-Class boasts a range of cutting-edge technologies. The car's automatic emergency braking system is now more responsive, incorporating a radar system and 360-degree cameras to detect obstacles. Additionally, the E-Class features the latest version of Mercedes-Benz's driving assistance package, offering a range of features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic lane centering. The technology features of the Mercedes-Benz E-Class 2024 are not limited to just the MBUX Superscreen. The car comes equipped with a range of smart features, such as the MBUX Hey Mercedes voice control system, allowing for hands-free operation of the car's features and functions. Finally, pricing and availability information for the new Mercedes-Benz E-Class has yet to be released. However, industry experts suggest that the new E-Class will be priced competitively within its segment and is likely to be available in showrooms by late 2023. Overall, the new Mercedes-Benz E-Class represents a bold new take on the iconic luxury sedan, offering cutting-edge technology, advanced safety features, and electrified powertrains, all wrapped up in a sleek and modern design. In terms of the chassis, the E-Class features the Airmatic suspension with adaptive dampers, equipped with sensors on each shock absorber. It detects road irregularities and adjusts the damping to prevent their transmission to other wheels in the interior. Furthermore, at speeds exceeding 120 km per hour, the vehicle lowers by 2 centimeters to enhance aerodynamics, improve fuel efficiency, and enhance stability. Another significant addition is the rear-wheel steering system, allowing for a maximum turn of 4.5 degrees. This feature reduces the turning circle, despite the lengthening of the wheelbase. Regarding the driver assistance systems, Mercedes-Benz has incorporated a highly sophisticated version of Attention Assist. It utilizes a 3D camera installed in the instrument panel to examine the driver's facial expressions and identify indications of fatigue. Simultaneously, this system can detect instances of driver distraction and respond by issuing an audible alert or, in critical situations, triggering automatic braking.